Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus of economics of the class ninth. Under first unit test, we will study introduction of economics, meaning and definition of economics. Under this chapter, there are various definitions, various economics concept, and the definition of Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, Robbins, Keynes, and Paul A. Samuelson. We will see under this chapter. Under basic concept of economics, second chapter, the basic concept of economics, the concept of micro and macroeconomics, type of activities, whatever activities which is done under primary, secondary and tertiary sectors, we will study. The sectors of economic and basic economic terms like want, goods, services, wealth, utility, production, consumption, sustainable development, factor of production, market, price value, income, saving, wealth, welfare, economy. We will discuss all these things under second chapter, basic concept of economics. Under third chapter, basic problem of economics, there are various. We will discuss the problems of economics. What are the problems? Under the economics. Under the second chapter, type of economics, we will discuss economic growth and development. On the basis of economy, on the basis of development, there are basically three type of economy: capitalistic, socialist, and mixed economy. We will study under this chapter. Okay, my dear students. The next chapter, basic problem of an economy. Under this chapter, we will study availability of resources. Under the resources are that thing which are helpful to operate all the economy. For all these resources we are struggling. Okay, so these problems of an economics we will study under this chapter. The central problem of an economy: what to produce, how to produce, from whom to produce. A brief understanding we will see under this chapter number 3rd. Okay, this is the first unit as syllabus, and under half yearly syllabus we will see type of economies, characteristic of Indian economies, food security in India, including unit test 1 syllabus. Okay, so under the type of economies is primary economy, secondary economy and tertiary sector. And the major problem of the Indian economy, like poverty, unemployment, there are various schemes, food security problems, all these things we will study under this chapter number 5. Under the chapter 6, food security India, how India is capable to serve the need of the food security of the people of the country. We will see all these things: what is food security, what is food security bill, and what is the buffer stocks, from where we collect all the foods. So all these things we will study under the food security in India. Under final exam in chapter number 7, industry, the types of industry, various type of industries are exist in our economy under secondary sector and tertiary sector. Okay, we will see in 7th chapter industry. Next chapter number under 8, poverty in India. Under poverty in India, meaning of poverty, poverty line, absolute poverty, types of poverty, causes of poverty, suggestions to remove poverty, and the measurement of to remove poverty, whatever taken by the government, we will see under this chapter. Chapter number 8, poverty in India. Next, problem of unemployment in India. Problem of unemployment in India, human capital formation in India. Problem of unemployment in India. This unemployment is the very big issue for the Indian scenario, according to Indian scenario, and we are saying there are various problems under giving employment by the side of government. The nature and types of unemployment, extent of unemployment in India, causes of unemployment, what are the causes, why the people are unemployed, suitable employment measures, policies, and long-term measures we will see under the chapter problem of unemployment in India. And the last chapter is measure, reform, and emerging trends in Indian economy. We will see how India is the shining star in all over the world, and how India is emerging, how India is showing emerging trends, how Indian economy is showing emerging trends, what are the things, effect of economic policies. There are various economic policies, objective of economic policy, need of economic reforms, there are various economic reforms, LPG, whenever we will study, then we will understand what do you mean by LPG. Recent initiative taken by the government, GST, we will study under this chapter. So then we are seeing these all are the syllabus of the class 9th economics, whatever we will study under the class 9th. Thank you, class. Thank you for today. Thank you.